Here we have the 2018 PUMA32RKTS, the rear kitchen. And so to our right is a tri-fold sofa, makes into a queen-size bed, a dinette, table in the down position right there, it also makes into a bed obviously. Nice big kitchen area, lots of counter space, 3-burner stove, microwave, lots of storage above the kitchen area as well as down below. 6.3 cubic foot fridge and a pantry. There's the pantry opened. 2 recliners. As you can see, lots of space in a very social setting where you can individuals sitting across from each other rather than all on a line. A beautiful big television entertainment area, and obviously the chairs can be pulled out to sit opposite the TV if you prefer that position. Air conditioning is ducted, of course, as is the heating, and they've put the ducts for the heating over to the right, so they're not kind of in the middle of the floor and not quite as obstructive. Nice shower, large shower with the sliding glass doors and some additional storage space here. And that's what that looks like opened up. Lots of room for linen and other material, and of course the sink and vanity. As you notice, the sink is a real decent size. Sometimes they're awfully small, but this one's a good size sink. And in the bedroom we have a queen size bed with a bedroom slide, so lots of room in the bedroom to move around and be able to change your clothes, and again lots of storage space. That's what they look like closed, and now I'll open them up for you. And there's the closet, and there's the barbecue that is included, that sits on the outside rail of the trailer. And there's the closet, the wardrobe closet opened up. Nice and deep, lots of storage space in there. And of course, lots of storage space under the bed as well. A little challenging to video the exterior of the trailer while it's in the shop, but we'll do the best we can under the circumstances. So here we have a power jack, beautiful front to the trailer, aerodynamic, power awning, and the aluminum stairs, which are new for 2018. And so this is the 32 RKTS. The colors are as shown for this particular unit, but may be different by the time you come on our lot and have a look as they come and go. But the floor plan will always be the same in this model designation. So we welcome you to come and visit the actual unit on our lot in Mono, just north of Orangeville on Highway 10. And thanks for watching this video.